Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the Private Banking Trading Forum. Just doing my daily journal. A little bit of a rough start to the morning. Try to short the highs above the 6 sort of days composite we've had, and I'll just quickly show you on here where I was sort of looking. 2 seconds. Okay, for some reason this is not working. Hold on. There we go. Don't know what's going on there. So we opened inside of this 6-day composite area, and we auctioned above the high of it, and from the daily chart I can see that we were testing overhead resistance sort of thing, so I was expecting sellers to maybe respond and come back into the composite, back into value and the lower distribution. This was the idea behind it, and it did sort of work out at the beginning. I mean, I took a little bit of heat on my position. I went short just as we rotated above the 107 even area. I'll just show you my fills on this, just so things are clear. 2 seconds. I don't really like showing all my fills, it just looks messy on my charts. So I got short at the 104, took a little bit of heat, we came down, I got a scale out, and we started to see the sellers sort of bid it down, and then we started seeing this passive sort of selling, I thought, and we just couldn't trade above this area. We ended up seeing it come back out of value and buyers hit the bid up. So as soon as this happened, I just got out of my position for a small loss. I was I think I was just like -6 ticks on the trade altogether. Then I just waited, and we came back down and tested the higher value, and I just saw passive buying at the developing value area high. So I initiated a long position, just getting in with the order flow and the context of the market. We were clearly accepting higher prices, so I just jumped on board with this. So I got my first scale out and I got my second scale out, and I'm just managing my core position at the minute. Just from what we've been looking at, I've been looking at all week. I was trying to sell the developer value area high on the monthly here, with it coming back in to balance, but we clearly didn't, and we've rotated out and we've held the developer value area high again. And like I said, we're coming up and testing higher prices now and putting in new highs. So we're just testing the monthly high at the minute. It's the level I said to watch at 107.45, and we're clearly finding more buyers into this area. I'm just looking at other areas to maybe target. So what I've been looking at is other levels on the daily chart, and I'm just looking back in time, and the only level that I can see is a level at 107.74, and it's just a high of day from this candlestick here from this day. I mean, we're just in this range at the minute, so I mean this is the only thing that I can find that for overhead resistance. So 107.75 is an area that I'm just looking at the minute, maybe to possibly target. That also lines up with the third IB extension, so we're just coming up to the third IP extension now, so I'm just keeping an eye on the footprint chart and just keeping an eye on everything at the minute. Anyway, I'll keep you posted and I'll let you know how this trade ends up. Cheers. Okay, this market is really starting to auction up nicely now. Buyers are responding good. I missed a location to add at the development value area high as we pull back to RTH Vwap, but that's fine. I'm just considering looking to take profit around this area. Just trying to look for some target areas, as I said before, from the daily. So I'm just going to scroll back, and like I said, the only thing I could find was this 107.75, which we've cleared now. And the next level is at 108.23, which is a sort of double top area here. So I mean, this could be a good location, but I mean we're coming through 108 even, and obviously we always get like psychological implications with the big round numbers. I mean 108 obviously even is a big round number, so we're coming up and testing the 108 even level now. I'm not really seeing any massive orders on the footprint, like with buyers absorbing, so I'm just going to try let this let this ride itself out. At the minute I've got my target at 108.15, which is just above that double top resistance level I just showed you off the daily that I just marked up. So 108.22 is a level, so I'm going to target 108.15. So anyways, I'm just going to see what happens with this 108 level. So like I said, I'm happy taking profit. I mean 80 to 90 ticks, I'm happy taking it. And I mean we've clearly broken higher now and accepted our higher prices, and we're just sort of one time framing up at the minute. So I'll keep you posted on what else I see on this and how I tackle taking my profit on this. Keep you posted. Okay, I just managed to get an add-on. We just come down and tested the RTH developing value area high, and just seeing some sort of good buying absorption here, and we push down, see some more resting sort of buying absorption. So I want to see the market react to this now. I want to see buyers hit the bid up. If not, if we come back into value, then I'll just close my core position out now. Keep you posted. Okay, just a quick update. Since I added I think it was 67. Let me just double check. Yeah, so I added at 67s. I've managed to get one scale out, and we just seem to have stopped dead in the water at the minute. If we come back into value here, I might close my core position out, or I might just get my risk off on this ad and see what happens. But I just thought I'd keep you updated on what's happening at the minute. I mean, I'm still expecting maybe a push higher, and we are still just currently sitting outside of ETH developing value, so just expecting a new high still. Just see what happens. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Okay, just another quick update on what I'm observing. So we formed balance in the first two periods, and in C period we see buyers come in and start getting aggressive and lifting the market out of balance, and we started to one time frame through C and D period, and this looked pretty good. In E period we had a balancing inside period, which I didn't want to see. Thought my day was going to be over, and I thought we were going to be coming back into value balance, and I'll be closing my position out. And we've just got a new period coming in, F period, and the point of control is migrating a little bit higher. So the point of control at the minute is at 107.64, just below my ad for the day, on this second ad on my position from the lows. And so I'm just waiting to see what happens here, to see if we get some more buyers coming aggressively pushing the market away from the developing value area high. So just looking good here again. I mean, starting to see a little bit of a higher volume as we sort of lift out, so we could still come back into balance and value here. Just going to let the market do its thing and see what happens. Also, if you look, we are actually still rejecting the developing value area high on the Globex session, but on the RTH session we did come back in, test a half standard deviation, and we're currently testing the developing value area high on the pit session. So this might be where we're seeing some resting sell limit orders coming in here, and we could obviously, like I said, hold this developing value area high and come back in, test the mean and lower prices. So keep you posted on how this plays out now, and if I get my targets filled or I close my core position out. Keep you posted. Okay, I managed to get my second scale out from this ad down here. I've got filled at 107.95s. I'm looking for 108.15s as my core target position now. Again, just quickly cover this. Why I'm looking at this area is because the only history I have is to look at previous levels from in the past, and the main level that sticks out is this double top area at 108.22. so this is why I'm targeting 108.15. I mean, we could see a breakout and we could see this rally higher, but 108.15 and I'm done on this trade. Anyway, we're either going to come up and test a higher day now, which is at 108.04, and see high prices and get my target filled, or we're going to see sellers come back in and push this market back into balance, and I'll be done. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, just another quick update. It is currently 10 past 1 Eastern time. Still in this long position. I was really tempted to add on these pullbacks to developing value area high, but I'm just patiently waiting to get my target filled. As you can see, we've just been rejecting value all day, and I'm expecting a possible spike higher into the close, so I'm just going to see how this plays out. As always, if we do come back into value and into balance, then we'll probably see a reversion to the mean, and I'm going to probably get out below the half standard deviation on RTH. This is looking pretty bullish at the minute, and we've been one time framing all day since C period. I mean, you can see that the lows have just not been taken out, and the point of control has been migrating up with this, so I'm expecting higher prices into the close. We'll keep you posted on this, on how this plays out. Okay, we've seen buyers come back in and start hitting the bid, lifting the offer away from value. So just looking to get my target filled now. I originally was targeting the 108.15 area, but I'm just going to see if we can get a test of the second deviation. And as you can see, we've literally just been riding inside the first deviation, the second deviation, obviously just at the edge of value. So I'm thinking we're most likely going to probably come up and test 35. So I'm just watching some sort of selling pressure coming in, but I'm still expecting higher prices. I mean, this might even go a lot higher today. I mean, we're well out of balance today, and we're finding buyers hitting the bid up pretty aggressively here all day. So just watching how things go. I'm looking to close my position out now. Not going to get greedy on this, so just give me 2 minutes and I'll let you know what I do. Okay, what I've ended up doing here, I've just ended up targeting my original 108.15. I mean, this does look like it's going to push higher, but I'm done for the day. I've already had a really good day today, and I want to get out in the afternoon and enjoy some sun in London. It's currently 6:30 in the evening in the UK, London, so I just want to go catch a couple of hours of sun and chill out for a bit. We've had a pretty good day today. I mean, I'll just quickly show. I've not looked myself properly, so let's have a look. So I've got short, I've got my target filled, ended up bailing on it. I've got long targets, added here, got my target, and I've just got my core position off here. So I mean, done pretty good today, and just going to call it a day. Just looking, so I've banked about 180 ticks today, so pretty good. This market continues to show pretty good strength to the upside. You can see we've clearly broken away from the distribution that I was tracking before, from the 6-day composite, 6 day of balancing that we are in. You can see the 6 days of balancing here, so we've broken clearly away from this now, and we're finding new buyers auctioning higher. Anyways, see how this goes, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care, bye.